back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I know data entry, and specifically data entry in the healthcare field, non-phone jobs, is what a lot of you are looking for. So that is what I have in today's video. The company Episource is hiring a data entry associate. Now, this is a full-time remote for my United States folks only, and they are paying $17 an hour. Now, Episource is a company in the healthcare field. On Glassdoor, they have 382 reviews and have a rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. Of course, as always, I'll leave both pages linked down in the YouTube description box below if you want to put that application in, or if you want to do additional research and read some of those reviews on the company. But they are looking for someone to specifically do data entry where Medicare is concerned. They are calling this the MAC Data Entry Associate, and you'll be responsible for entering healthcare diagnosis data to improve accurate claim submission for healthcare organizations, internal facing, and you'll be responsible for recognizing issues and bringing them up to your manager. So the basic things of this job are entering the client or patient data from source documents within time limits into the electronic online portals. You'll review that data for completeness and accuracy. You'll gain access to the online portals to prepare for computer entry. You'll review data for any deficiencies or errors and correct them as you find them. You'll maintain a detailed and organized online storage system to ensure reporting is complete and accurate. You'll research and navigate in government and MAC websites. Of course, you'll meet your productivity set by your deadlines. Now, their print is really small, so I'm hoping you can see this, but they are only requiring a high school graduate. Now, they prefer some college, but they don't even say that you have to have a college degree. Only a high school diploma is needed. They do want somebody who's 1 year experience in some data entry or data management, someone who has experience in working in a variety of databases, someone who can be detail-oriented, has a high-speed internet connection, and a private home workspace. Someone who can type at least 60 words a minute, has great communication skills, and great time management skills. Of course, they're looking for someone who's proficient in using a computer, specifically Microsoft Office or Google Suite. Now, they do say company equipment will be provided for you. All the virtual access you need will also be provided for you, as well as a monthly internet allowance. So on top of the $17 an hour and providing your computer equipment, they're going to give you money for you to help pay your internet. They also offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you have any suggestions on things I could do differently, things I could improve on, and ways I could make this channel better, please leave them down in the comments below. Also, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.